Were there in any instances where you had to say no to potential clients because you didn't like the code base, the offer wasn't sufficient enough for you? Like,
Yeah.
can you tell us a bit about it?
Yeah, I have had a lot of occasions where they had a very, very large code base, but they're offering not that much of money. They have a low budget. And I have had times where protocols are building this very complex application, for example, a lending and borrowing platform, which is expected to grow a lot. It will probably have more than $1 million of total value locked. A lot of people will be using it, and they're trying to get an audit for like 5 or 10K, which is not a good deal. I mean, you're securing millions of dollars of so many users. You cannot have small budgets when it comes to security. And also, my time is valuable. The time of all security researchers who are actually good is valuable. And for this kind of money, there is no chance that you get a good researcher to work on your code base. So this means you're not taking into consideration the security of your client's funds, which is a very bad thing. I would never deposit money in such a protocol. But yeah, I wouldn't post on Twitter about this or whatever. So yeah, I have had such dealings with some protocols, and yeah, some other times the protocols just it's not that they're stingy, it's not that they don't want to pay you, it's just that they still haven't raised funds, they want to move quick, they don't have the money or whatever. And I just tell them, okay, it's fine, you probably are not getting so many clients yet, so many people using your platform in the beginning anyway. So what I can offer you is just to contact you with other researchers who also do a great job reviewing your contracts, who also provide a quality service, but they are not experienced as experienced as I am, and they will work for a lower price point, and they're usually fine with this. So this is how almost always my decline when it comes to a small price. To a small budget in terms of the client is just me referring them to other researchers. This is how I usually say no. um, I don't know. Apart from this, I don't think I have had such other much other cases. I have had one client who had this crazy big code base of like 16,000 lines of code,
Wow.
only code, 16,000 lines of code, and with new lines and comments, it was like 25,000 lines. It was crazy. So I didn't even know what to quote them. Then they shrunk the scope a little bit. They got it below 10K lines of code, but
Which is still a lot for Solidity.
yeah, it's still a lot. And for a sole auditor, I would have to take 2 months off of my business, and I probably can't charge them as much as I would make if I do smaller audits with more clients, retaining those clients for a longer time. So it wasn't a great business decision. I didn't work with that protocol, and but yeah, almost always it's always one thing that I tell to protocols. Even if I decide to not work with them, I always say I want to help in every way possible. Let me know what you need. Let me know what your needs are and what you can offer. I'll try to do the best thing for you. I will contact you with the right people. I will do myself consulting for a smaller budget. Maybe not do a fully fledged audit, but I can consult you for a day or two or whatever. It's still a good deal for you. It's still a good deal for me. Uh, I just want to help anybody. This is how you do business well. This is how you provide value. So this is my intention and way of doing.
And I think this is what differentiates you with other service providers in the field. And this is also how you keep client satisfaction, right? Because even if you don't see any value that you can derive for them, you still bring them value and you're like making sure they are happy, because maybe, they will be happy. They will say something good about you, maybe to another potential client, or in general, shout out in Twitter or something, and just provide good value. Even if you cannot extract value from the other side, you just give value, which is amazing.
Yeah, yeah. This is how you grow as a business, and this is how you live a good life as well. I think your business grows, your relationships are better, you just do good things, you live a happy life. This is it.